sorry family. So let's get back to number 2. My video was cut off. So we have identified that we've been given the total and we've been given the size of each group. So we need to find how many groups. And I started off by labeling that I'm going to be using repeated addition for this, since I don't have the number of groups and I need to find it. Repeated addition is when we add the size number again and again until we get to the total. So as you see here, I put a group of 6 and then 6 more to get 12, and then I added 6 more to get 18, and then 6 more until I finally got to my total. So this tells me that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And in terms of the question, that those 4 groups represent how many stations there were at recess, okay? So now I'm going to show you how to use skip counting to do the same thing. It's essentially the same as what we did down here at the bottom, but since the group size is 6, we're just going to say, okay, 6, 12, I'm counting by 6s, 18, 24. I had to skip count. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That tells me that my group number is 4, okay? My equation for both of these is going to be the same. It is going to be 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. And we know that great mathematicians use labels, so this 24 represents the total number of students. Total number of students. 6 represents the students at each station. You see why underlining is helpful? I could just look right back there. So I'm going to put here students at each station. At each station. And then last but not least, 4 is the number of stations. These labels are great for students to show that they fully understand what the word problem is providing and asking. It also helps them when they go to write their sentence and identify what their final answer is. If they know what they're looking for, then they can always refer back to the labels to help them. Okay, so the last step is to write a complete sentence giving our final answer, which is there are 4 stations at recess. As you can probably see, repeated addition and skip counting, those are the 2 that we use when we're given the total and the size, and we need to find the groups. So both of these strategies helps us to find the number of groups. Fair sharing is when we're given the total and the groups, or the number of groups, and we need to actually find how many are in each group, okay? So I hope this was helpful. Please feel free to give me a call, give me a text. Oh, look at me, I forgot to add my label. This is skip counting. If your preppy is continuing to struggle, please take some time to do the questions that are not done in the packets that I send home. This is for you to see how your preppy is doing and also for them to get some extra practice. Thank you and have a wonderful rest of your day.